Talofa everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is my Happy Mother's Day video. So I have my two daughters here, my older daughter Sharon and my daughter Chullora. So today we have food from our local store and it's called Homer's, and that's what that's in front of us. I have battered fish and chips and I like it because the batter is really crunchy, and Greek salad and chips.
Here we do it.
And I got a chicken burger, right?
Southern fried chicken burger.
With chips.
And then, okay, mine doesn't look like much, but a roast pork roll, salt, pepper gravy, and then scallops. But I think Aussies call it potato cakes.
Yeah.
Potato
It's
cakes.
Melbourne, they call it potato
Yeah,
cakes.
potato cakes. Sorry.
We call it potato scallops, but New Zealanders call it the right name, and there's potato fritters. Thank you very much.
I'm trying to start a fight. Okay, come on.
And then we have the extra here, once I hang out with all this other food, spaghetti bolognese. Thought we added in. And my drink is, well, me and Chullora's drink is Mountain Dew.
And then I have this one. I don't know.
It's passion fruit something.
Some passion fruit fizzy drink.
Let's do a prayer then.
Amen.
Minute. So,
Do you want to cut your burger? Wait, hold on. I'm going to cut mine. Out of all the knives.
This is a big burger.
I didn't get a normal one. I got the southern fried. You'll like that, trust me.
Okay. Actually, no, I'm not going to cut it.
anyway, the batter is really good. It's crunchy.
Will I cut it?
Oh, maybe I should have cut this before I came on camera. It's not cutting.
That was hard.
Yeah, but it's not cutting through.
You should have put it on the board.
True.
Yeah.
It's like mad messy. Okay.
Okay, this is a chicken what? What's this chicken?
Southern fried chicken burger. It's got hot sauce, mayo, lettuce, and a chicken schnitzel on it.
How did that come from?
Sure, babes.
I hope you guys are having a good Mother's Day. Or, well, I'm uploading this video tonight, so
Are you? Are you?
yeah.
Oh, you're professional.
So I just want to wish you all a happy Mother's Day, guys. I don't know if your kids are going to spoil you guys, but you all deserve it whether you get gifts or not. The main thing is we are healthy, and we got our kids around us to share life with. And
This
our
burger's
parents, our mothers, you know. Anyway, guys, while we enjoy this, I hope you
know
guys
it
grab
is.
you guys some food.
That's why I picked it.
Oh.
Okay. Oh my gosh, yum.
5 minutes into the video, you take your first bite.
Yum.
The batter's always nice and crunchy. This
Yeah,
is
I'm gonna get this burger every time I go.
when we went to get this food from Homer's, guys, there were girls in the car calling out. They were putting pictures in their car, and they all called out like, "Hi, Faye!" And then we started waving. It was really good. I mean, you know, we didn't expect that. We were just going to get some food to do our mukbang with.
I thought it was like family. I thought it was like people. That's why I was like waving like hello. Then shame.
Yeah. So I just want to say hello to Nolene and her friend. Nolene and I took a picture together. And it was nice meeting them too. Friendly girls. Thank you guys for coming to say hello to me and Sharon. Appreciate that. Hope
Not
you guys
me. They still saying hello to you.
I hope you guys have a good day, a Mother's Day, you know. And I felt so fat next to Nolene. Nolene, what a nice figure you have. Not me. Yeah, but anyway, it was really nice to eventually meet you. I know sometimes you say, I hope we meet up, and we did today. Oh, thank you very much, Nolene. I always love Homer's fish and chips. It's similar to the Plumpton one. We had a long sleep in because we kind of stayed up. I stayed up because I had something on my mind, so I couldn't go to sleep. So I was pretend sleeping. You know when you lie there and you got your eyes closed and your mind's still awake? Yeah, well, that was me.
Where'd you get this from?
Famous.
Oh,
Nice. Yes, nice.
Yeah, the whole house slept until like midday, I think. Oh yeah, because I slept over.
No, you just woke up about 11:30. Because I was sitting there watching the time, like, are they going to get up and do this mukbang?
Yeah, because
I kind of forgot that we were even filming today.
well, I haven't been sleeping properly, so last night was like the first night I got like decent sleep. So
Yeah, she's missing Desiree. Don't worry.
no, I'm not.
Wednesday's almost here.
Oh, that's not bad. That's been bolognese. It's alright.
And the barbecue sauce is nice. I'll give you a little bit just so you can try it out. Yeah, I'll put it right here. Just try it and you'll see what I mean. It's not as harsh as that other barbecue sauce that we normally get.
Also, I don't know if Mum wants to say this, but this is our second time filming. We already filmed a mukbang with us three, but Mum watched the video back and then someone must have hit slow-mo. So the whole video was in slow-mo. That's why we're re-recording. Chullora.
So we were filming like this. Sharon, get no, not that.
I'm pretty sure they know what slow-mo is, babes. But because of that demo, they're definitely going to know now.
Yeah. So it was, because I tried to upload it all the time and it kept saying that there was an error. So I thought, how could it be an error? The whole film is there, you know, but, and this was the first time I got Geneva to put the camera up. So I think she might have accidentally bumped it, but I should have checked it before we filmed. Normally I don't check it, but you know. So that was a waste of, no waste of food because I enjoyed my food. And we had gotten food from Noodle Hut in Edmonton. And I really enjoyed my wonton noodle soup too. I like it when they chop the pork real thin.
Yeah. I think they just want to try to be generous, but I would rather thin pork instead of...
Yeah, thin slices.
Yeah, instead of thick pork. I just like that they use a sesame bun, that's why.
This barbecue sauce, I'm not joking, is nice. I don't know where I got it from though. Sometimes they tell you which people that they supply it to. Oh, it's a New Zealand product, guys. Oh, no wonder I love it. It's more M-O-O-R. Got a dinner after this, a Mother's Day dinner, and that's what we're going to after this. And my son had put it together.
No,
Chloe.
Chloe had put it together.
I thought it was Damien.
No, give Chloe her credit, please.
Yeah.
Ah.
Chloe is my brother's missus.
Oh, okay. Sorry,
Our
Chloe.
sister-in-law.
I thought it was my son because he came over to invite me.
No.
I'm uploading, so Stop it, Sharon. What are you laughing?
What do you mean? Everyone's coming.
I remember one year, where I think this happened. I remember one year, my little sister Geneva bought Sharon a Mother's Day gift, and not my mum a Mother's Day gift. Do you remember that? Did that happen?
Or did she get a mug or something?
I don't know, but she bought Sharon a Mother's Day gift, and she didn't buy my mum.
No. Mum, did that happen?
Well,
I'm pretty
I can't remember because she must have sneaked it off to her secretly because I don't remember that.
Because I'm pretty sure I remember us laughing that she didn't get you a gift, but she got you a gift.
Oh, so you were laughing, but you were...
Because it was funny.
Yeah, you know how at schools, they buy, like when the kids go to school, they can buy a gift for their parents? Yeah, I'm pretty sure Geneva got me a mug. Like a Mother's Day mug.
Yeah.
And I was like, no, because that kind of upset me, because if she's going to get me something, obviously she needs to get mum something. But she did it, the little twerp.
Geneva's the only child out of all my children that usually every year, without fail, she'll come, Mum, can I have $5? What for? I want to buy you a Mother's Day gift. And I go, yeah, baby, here. Even though I don't know where half of her present's gone. But it's the thought that counts.
Mm-hmm. Why would you bring that up on Mother's Day?
What?
Chullora.
That's all right. I don't mind. It's good. I like to see you guys thinking of one another and caring for each other. That's all right. I like that, even though it sounded like it was secret. But I don't mind that at all. It should be like that. And if that's how Geneva felt at the time, good on her.
Like, good on you.
Yeah. I'm going to say good on me.
Oh well, Sharon's always been their mother figure. Because Sharon's always been there to take care of the older ones and the little ones. And that's good because it gives me time off. What happened?
I'm burping.
You know why? Because you guys were eating late last night.
Who's you guys? We all, including you.
Oh, yeah.
Mum acting like she didn't grab a burger from the Macca's last night.
Did I?
Yeah, you have like a Big Mac.
Yeah.
Oh, quarter pounder.
Yeah.
Big Mac. Grandma had a Big Mac.
Yeah, because last night I went to Kmart because...
Really?
Oh my gosh!
When?
I was telling Geneva too, Troy's gonna have a fit if she finds me. That's what I was saying to Geneva, Troy's gonna have a fit. You were editing, that's why we left as well. I just
You were
left
editing.
Yeah, I left you to edit. So I went to Kmart last night only because I needed hangers. Because I need to pull my closet apart and like reorganize it, and so I need hangers. Anyways, and then I told Mum we were gonna go, and then she's like, "Can you give me Macca's?" So yeah, I got a dinner box and brought it home.
I think because I felt sorry for my mother, I thought, I wonder if she's full, you know? So that's why. Because sometimes I could give her dinner, and I always wonder if she's got enough in her tummy. I know I shouldn't be feeding her too late, but you know.
Yeah, I'm done already.
We're both YouTubers.
Yeah, what? What about it?
She didn't say it.
Oh, it's right.
Yeah, guys, we're both YouTubers. Go subscribe to our channel.
Well, you should have introed it then, you little sook.
Yeah. Why should it be me?
No, talk about it now.
No, I don't want to.
No,
I don't want to talk about Deoray and Sharon. My daughter here, she wants me to shout out her channel. And if you know the kind of mother I am, I don't really like to shout out her video, her channel. I don't. because she does things on there that I don't approve of. So today when I was watching what she uploaded last night,
Go watch it, by the way.
I really wanted to put on the headlock and Geneva. And if you go and see, apologies, man.
Yeah.
It's embarrassing.
My channel is It's Chullora. Put it somewhere on the screen, please.
I'm not putting nothing on there. And Sharon and Deoray and Sharon has a video as well. No. So go and subscribe to them. Stop what you're doing on there. I don't. Okay, I'll tell you now. I'll pre-warn you. She poked up the middle finger, and so did Geneva. And I don't like that. And they know they're not allowed to do that. And she thinks on her video she can do that. Just makes... So please don't blame me on this. But I told her before, one more that I see... I don't watch her videos. This is the second video I've watched out of all her videos. And I've told her now.
I told you, in her. No.
Yeah.
One more.
On film, but.
Yeah, on her, mum. You'll get views.
No, I said to her, one more video, I see a middle finger go up, she's going to get it. And I'm not joking. So if you guys see it, please come on my channel and let me know. Because I don't like to watch it. Because I see things that like the middle finger, which she knows you're not allowed. And then she had a V in her hand. I don't know if she was drinking that. You know I don't approve of you guys drinking that. Okay? That's pretty dangerous, that kind of drink, because it gives you fast heartbeat and all that other stuff that they say happens. I don't know, guys, but just in case, I don't tell them to, not to drink it and then they have a problem. I don't know. There's my mum. She's whistling in her sleep.
She's doing that in protest.
I'm telling you. Yeah, because I was telling my mum not to make a noise because we're filming. And she barked at me like, Mate, I'm not doing anything to your film. Just do your film.
Yeah, Grandma's been Beyonce over there. Mum was like, can you stop singing? And she got angry.
She got angry to sleep. And now she wants a whistle. That's all right. It's Mother's Day today. She gets away with it. And all that whistling sound, it's her protest of me telling her not to make a noise.
That was actually really good. It doesn't look appealing. But the pork roll was really good. Roast pork roll.
Some food I like, they don't look like appealing, but when you eat it, it's so yummy, So, like the story goes, don't judge your book by its cover, because some food may look ooh la la, but it's not as what you thought. But, to eat food and to be able to have food is a blessing anyway.
Oh, you ate all your fish? I
did. It was delicious. They give so much Greek salad. It's nice, but I think, why overdo it? Because some people don't eat it that much, so we'll just go to waste. I like those food that you get it's nicely done, and it's nicely done, but not overdone.
And portions are like Plumpton.
Yeah, like the portions are just right. Like you're just right. Like, oh, got one more chip. That I like that. But when they overdo it, which credit to them too, because they're trying to give you as much as they can provide for you for your money. Give you your money's worth. But myself, I like a nice little portion, where it would be just right for the tummy. And it'll save them money as well. But anyway, thank you very much, homers. Praise the good Lord for this food, because it's always God that gives us this food, and, we're very lucky to get all that.
Stop looking at yourself in the mirror.
Yeah.
No, I'm looking at you. I wanted to try the Thai. We're going to a Thai place in Plumpton today, and I really want to try their food, but now I'm going to be full. Sorry.
No, but
by the time we go. Anyway, there's this new Thai place that opened up in Plumpton. It's outside, guys. It's next door to the fish and chip shop. So we want to give that a try. This will be Alfred. this will be our first time trying out the Thai place, but my son and my daughter-in-law said that the food is actually good. So that's a good review already. So look forward to it. I hope they have, I don't know if they do it. Yeah, so that video that chullora put up,
just last night.
yeah, it was them making
Waffles.
and that. Yeah, and then you see my daughter Geneva in there. I thought, oh my baby, natural, because I've been telling her for a couple of years or 3 years or more to do video, and they tried to do her in Savannah, but they were really, they were so cute and younger, but yeah, so I'm telling her now to do another channel, and it's good that she sees chullora doing it, and then, you know, when she was on it, I thought, well, my baby.
Yeah, Geneva's actually funny too.
Yeah.
But she's just really shy.
She's just really shy, but she's actually funny. She makes us laugh. So there's 3 funny people in our family. So there's myself, Jerome, that's my son, and Geneva.
Really?
That end.
Out of all the 12 kids, you...
No, look at them. I knew they were going to get, yeah. Sharon Fluke's funny.
No. We're just a different kind of funny.
Yeah.
We're like
Oh, you're not funny at all. When
No,
you're
I'm
wearing
agreeing
it.
to her, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
No, like other people maybe will be like, that's a bit offensive, but like that's our kind of funny. We're just like sarcastic and witty.
Yeah. No, Sharon can fluke her funny here and there, just like her father. When their father flukes a funny.
Oh my god, don't even. Okay, so Dad will fluke a joke, right? And everyone will laugh. And because everyone's laughing, Dad will repeat himself, and then it just takes away the fun and the funniness. It's just like, oh, you just made it dry. If you just left it at that one line and left the room, like, bro.
Yeah, we'll think, oh, he was funny. Yeah. But after that, we're telling him to be quiet. Like, oh, stop. You've said it 5 times now, you know, like that. He does it all the time.
All the time.
Yeah. I mean, we get excited that he even flukes one, and then he damages it by saying it again and again and again. And then when we start walking away, he goes, oh, come back and listen to my joke.
No, if anything, we're all kind of funny.
Yeah.
All of us are kind of funny. But Mum, it's just not Mum's kind of funny because it's like not dry. Like, I don't know, Mum's humor's just different.
Excuse you. My funny is funny. Ha ha.
No, our funny's funny.
Yeah.
Have you seen our group chat, babe? We're funny. Just not Mum's cup of tea, that's all.
I'm funny. My son Jerome, he's one of those kind of people that he would just talk normally, and then all his mates will laugh, and he doesn't get it, but he does kind of get it, but not really. It's just he's always been like that since he was a little kid.
Yeah,
and every time he used to make people laugh, like his father would always say, yeah, my son's funny because he's from Aitutaki. And I go, so where's your funny? You know? Not that.
See, that was meant to be funny.
See, we're just not
No,
on the same
I'm just saying.
wavelength.
So where's your... But I meant it. Like, I did say that. Like,
Yeah.
where's your funny? That's why we call it Fluke the Funny.
We're being YouTubers, babes.
Who is it?
Desiree is calling me.
Okay, say hello. Anyway, shall we say goodbye now? So you can ring Desiree back and go, yes!
Up to you.
Oh, well, guys, we've had all our food. The spaghetti bolognese got neglected.
No, we put a hole in it, a little one.
Yeah, a little dead.
Neglected by you. We ate it.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Oh, but thank you very much, and I hope you all have a good Mother's Day.
Yeah.
You know, even like the single fathers out there that's doing their part to look after their children.
Single mamas, single daddies.
Yeah.
Grandmamas.
All the mums, all the women.
Yeah. But thank you for joining us, and thank you for those two that come late for class. You know who you are. You're in Glen Innes right now, but I hope you have a safe trip back home. For now, thank you, Sharon Lee. Thank you, chullora, for
Thank
hanging
you,
out.
Mummy.
Thank you. Well, we didn't do much. Oh, well, I did better because I ate all my fish.
Well, I finished my pork roll.
Oh, okay. I'll come second. And then my baby still got her burger. But see you later, guys. You all take care and God bless you all, okay? I hope you have a really nice Mother's Day. Whāsai fua.
Bye!